This is Randall Neighbors. I'm at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It's May 23rd. This is flush number 4 of the hall bath. Very little came out on flush 3. I looked at the video and there was very small chunks. We'll be able to see the contents of that flush, and also it's the contents of the previous flushes too. So this will be the total contents of the 4 flushes. So here we go. This is flush number 5. Or is this 4? Yeah, I think this is 4. I also just shot a video showing the level of the water in the bucket after a flush, and it's substantial. I mean, it's doing over almost 3.5, between 3.5 and 4 gallons. Okay, let me zoom this in. So that is all that's come out in 3 flushes. I'm not sure if this is the 4th or 5th flush. I'm going to say it's the 4th. I'll correct it on the next video after I can check it. After what, I'll look at the video of the previous video and see what number I said that one was. So the flow isn't real strong. But typically the water will pile up behind the poop and paper, and then it'll kind of come out in a big gush. We'll see if that happens, but this, I believe, is flush number 4. What I plan to do maybe after the next flush, number 5, if need be, if the poop and paper don't exit, I may hook the sewer camera to the sewer snake and feed it down in there and see if I can see where this stuff's hanging up. It should have, a lot more. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Here we go. Maybe, anyways, maybe I can see where it's hanging up and why it's not moving out of that pipe. Like I say, I did 9 flushes once and it didn't clear the pipe. 8 flushes. I recorded those, and you can look at those videos if you care to. So I may do that after the next flush, number 5, if it doesn't move this stuff out of here. I may go ahead and drag that sewer snake out and hook the sewer camera to it, and go and push it down the line, see if I can see anything. It's only about 4 feet, or 3 or 4 feet from that where it makes this 90-degree turn to come out here, where that repair was done, where I cut the line to block the sewer gas. So, they put in I think about a 3-foot piece of pipe in there. So it's only, the furthest fitting is only like 7 feet from that corner. So it's pretty easy to get down there. The next one would be where they did where they cut the pipe 2 feet too short. They had to add a piece of pipe, so there's a coupling there, and then it makes a 45-degree turn. Whether I can shove that snake in there that far, because those snakes don't go in there all that well unless they're rotating. If you're just shoving it in there static, with it not turning, you can only push it in there so far before friction just will not let you push it any further. Anyway, I think that does it for this flush. All right, I didn't see hardly anything, but I will dump the bucket and we will see the contents at the beginning of the next video. But this, I believe, was flush number 4. If it is flush number 5, I'll correct it on the next video, but I do believe this was number 4. Over and out.